this box, you've probably received a box like this to your door. This is not free. You got to pay for it. So if you want to ship your product in a box like this and stuff, you have a choice. You can send your product directly to your distributor or fulfillment agency or online store, and they can pack it for you, like in a case like this, or you can build your own. But there is a price associated with this. So someone actually has to pick a box out, match it to your product. They may have to put dunnage into it, you know, right? Pack it up, turn it like this, and tape it. And for each of these actions, you're going to pay. And that's important because things can kind of add up. Let me show you real quick. So I got this box in the mail for a product that I ordered. Shovel. It's a nice shovel. It's a bent shovel. Pretty cool. And I noticed that, of course, it's a large box, so there's probably a size charge for that. It has to be packed. It's got the dunnage. But also, it has another item because this item was sent unpacked. You know, it doesn't have a SIOC box. It ships in own container, so someone has to repack that product. This had to be done as well, and there's even a barcode on it and everything that came on, plus it had to be taped and prepared to be shipped. So it was an extra cost for this. So this cost money too. There are a lot of options, and the more that you as a packaging professional know how to control your shipping packaging, you're going to save and you're going to provide better experiences for your customers. Let me show you how. So remember this first product. This is a product that we make at the packaging school. It is a set of calipers, really great calipers that have the golden ratio. You can learn all about them in our catalog. So we could have had the option of just sending a pallet full of these or a case full of these and have someone else, like an Amazon, go through the process of repacking it, putting the dunnage in, and paying for each of those. Or the other option is a SIOC option. SIOC stands for Ships in Own Container. It's also called D2C, so that's direct to consumer packaging. And so this is one. I mean, if you think about it in terms of, you know, total volume and mass and use of materials, super optimized, you know, optimized just for my product. And so what we did is, if you order one of ours, we even created this nice little fold-out tab and pull out, and you see the products all nicely displayed. Open it up, take the product right out, and it even comes with this nice little book. And I can ship this, and likely I can save money and provide a much better experience than the alternative.